Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is move-in day. It is currently 8:48 a.m. and I'm about to go pick up the keys at 9 o'clock. Okay. I'm super excited. I'm also tired because I had a long week, but I know that today is gonna be a long day too. I have the Xfinity coming at 2 to 4 p.m. so they're gonna set up the Wi-Fi. I'm just super excited, guys. Like, I'm just super excited to move and be in this new space so I can like decorate and stuff. You know us girls, we like to like decorate and make things look nice and cutesy. And I just been seeing a whole bunch of stuff on Amazon. I'm like, Amazon, like, why do you want me to spend all my money on everything? But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna get stuff gradually, obviously, but I'm just excited for this next chapter in my life. Finally moving from my little studio into a 1-bedroom, so hopefully I can show you guys my day if it's not too busy. If you guys are new here, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys once I get the keys. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm currently walking to get my U-Haul truck because it's closed, so we're gonna do that right now. I got the keys and we're all set. Okay. Honestly guys, I love that I'm able to get my steps in. Like, I don't mind walking anywhere, to be honest. It's down the street and I'm able to still get my walk in for today and my steps in. You're supposed to have like 10K steps a day, so I need to reach that 10K because I need this stomach to stay flat, okay? So this is my little exercise for the day, plus the whole moving thing, so it's gonna be a lot. But I'm excited, guys. Alright guys, so we're in the apartment. I'm about to go up the stairs. Super excited. I'm recording on my phone right now, so that's why it's not as good quality, but yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. New home. New blessings. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. I got my little old cedar mount right here. This is the closet. In the living room. Y'all, I'm so excited, don't mind me. Bedroom. So freaking cute. Walk-in closet. This is my new home. It's gonna be lit. Yeah, I'm so happy, guys.